That's okay.
Hey guys, come on, Mr. Junior here. This is the Super Mario Galaxy 2 Part 7. Now, you didn't know you can collect some you can grind some star bits here. Come on, grab them. And here is how you can grind. All we gotta do, go in here. Head back out. And wait, did it reset? No. And you can go to the Geoda place too. And there's a free one-up. And then I think what you have to do to get them to regenerate is like maybe go out and then go back in or something. But anyway, we can now go past here. Go to there. Let's see if it reset. I think it might have reset. I don't know. Oh yeah, it did. Hurry, come on. Star bits left, pay off. I'll probably grind those 20 later. Wait, actually, I'm going to put those in the bank. And that's not what I let's go back to Starship Mario. In this episode, we're going to finish up World 1. So he is our toad banker. Right now I have 6117. I'm going to deposit all mine to him. Okay, so I'm actually not going to cheat this one because otherwise I would just be taking off the star bits I have in my current file, which I made in like 2010. But I'm not gonna cheat, so I'm gonna grind them all myself, and I'm only gonna take out the ones I put in there. So, no cheating involved in this. If I can remember, of course. Go ahead and backflip onto him. And if you would like to take a shortcut, you can always go right ahead with that one. Oh, frick! I was trying to pull it off. Rye Guy LAX 2053. Darn it! Bank! Oh, frick. Freaking! Let's see if I can pull the shortcut off this time. I bet Rye Guy LAX 205 couldn't even do it. Dang it, man! Okay, let me try again. So, let's see. Timing with the swamp is the key. Dang it, man! Okay. Dang it, man! So maybe you have to backflip, but okay. See if I can get it. Yep. Dang it, man! Let me try this again. Sorry this is taking so long, but I want to try this trick! Dang it, man! Come on. Trick work! So let me see. Because I bet Rye Guy will not. I'll challenge him to see if he can do the trick. Come on! Frick! Maybe I'll just do it normally now and then if I have time. Get it shown off at the end. So go ahead and hit that. So that's where we want to land with the trick. Go ahead and grab the 6 mushroom. It will be useful to use. And And here we have Gobblegut, or Bowser Jr., my bad. So he said, don't forget to protect your, and then in pink was highlighted bellyache bulges. So that is probably, so when he says protect, that's what we have to hit. So we have to get all his bellyache bulges. You can easily get some without even using the normal way to do it. Third. Okay, I got 3. Got that one. Missed that last one. Come on. And I've only got 1 left. I've only got the 4th one to worry about. Got it! Kill you off! You're dead. You're about just a piece of cake. Let's eat our chocolate cake here and now. Yeah, chocolate cake, yes, yummy. Nobody likes anything less than chocolate cake. We got a grand star. Let's change it around a piece of chocolate cake. Yes, chocolate cake. Everybody loves it. Except for my sister, of course. And if RyGuyLAX205 comments it, oh yes, I just remembered now, he does like vanilla. So for any vanilla likers, the worst ice cream in the world, you can argue with me all you want, but I'm not going to change it. It's that vanilla is so old-fashioned. Let's have a war, chocolate versus vanilla. Comment your war. Comment with the war in the comment section below. And I will start. Probably RyGuy will follow. And then comment on whose side you're on. Camilla and Bowser Jr. or RyGuyLAX205. Or if you have a new flavor to choose. If you have a new flavor you like. Let's try to get that shortcut off. So comment on what flavor you like and I will see what the number of which flavor has the majority and I will tell you all the votes. In the last part of my Super Mario Galaxy 2 walkthrough, I will tell you all comment now, and when I get the last part of Super Mario Galaxy 2 uploaded, I should have the results. Dang it, man. Dang it! Frick! You piece of annoying garbage! Yeah.